The London Beer Flood, 1814. In 1814, a huge vat of beer exploded in a London brewery, releasing over 1.4 million liters of beer into the streets. The wave destroyed buildings and killed 8 people. It was a tragedy, but also a surreal sight, a flood of beer rushing through the city. The event led to changes in industrial safety, but it remains one of London's weirdest disasters.